Alright, over here we have the skate park. Oh man, we're gonna do FPV RC Car skate park today. Let's see how this goes.
So this is the first time with the FPV skate park, just letting it park. Later on there's going to be clips of me just filming it without FPV goggle on, just to give you more perspective. Second session, checking the left side, right side, everything looks good. And jump. Oof. Got a little bit more confident, going a little faster. Exploring the skate park, going up and down. Never driven in these parts before. Very interesting. Going faster and faster. Hit the ledge, I flipped. No! So this is the third time, so going a little faster. Police lights already broken already, so whatever, let's keep going, yo. Jumping on this little ramp thing. And this part's interesting because there's a giant gap in between. And just jump to the other side on the wall. I was like, okay, let's go faster. Yeah. Look a retard. Bam! Broke something again. And there's the fourth and last session on the FPV goggle side. Went super fast just because, you know, there's a cage protecting the FPV system, so why not? Look at that jump right into it. That's like, I don't know, a 6 feet jump. Yeah, it gives you a very different perspective when you're driving an FPV car. It's just like, it's almost like driving a real car, going different terrains, and you know, you don't have to risk your life, but you're trying new things and taking risk. It's pretty awesome. Like almost crashing into that rocket and could have killed yourself in real life, but it's FPV car, so you're fine. In the next clips, it was me filming with one hand, driving with the another hand, and the videos recorded with the FPV goggles.
Whoa. Oh fuck! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, jeez.